Hello, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome today Miss Nandita Prakash, an early childhood educator with more than 18 years of experience in this field. She is also an advisor to schools across India and is, in fact, an expert on building curriculum, especially based on the National Curriculum Framework. Welcome, Nandita, to this little town of ours, which is, in fact, our world.
Thanks a lot, Abha ma'am. You're calling it a tiny world, but I will say that you've brought all the global pedagogies and methodologies in your school here.
Oh, thank you so much. I have a lot of questions for you, but one thing which I want to ask you is, when the bigger schools, the K-12 schools, inviting admissions in nursery itself, does it mean that preschools have lost their relevance?
Ma'am, for that, I think we'll have to go back and revisit the reasons why preschool exists. So preschools were supposed to be, in between a cushion for the child when the child comes out of their house, the comfort of their home, and goes into a formal school. So preschool was supposed to provide a cushioning for them. So even now, if the age group, there's a FI class that is getting added to the K-12 schools, that cushioning will still be required, right? Because a K-12 setup is more structured. It is more formal, but a preschool, the teachers are more like the second mothers to the children. And if you see, they're more compact, they take care of the sensory development of the children in all areas. And that is the reason why, it becomes a smooth transition for the child, emotionally, physically, and all other areas of development. And it is very easy for a child to move out of the house and get into the process of learning for their life.
Thank you so much for mentioning that, because a lot of parents ask me that with the FI years, which is basically nursery to UKG, then why should they be sending children in toddlers and playgroup? What is your take on that?
Ma'am, in fact, it is even more important these days, because what else is the child doing at home? At a very young age, when they're toddlers, they start picking up the mobile phones. And,
Yes.
a lot of parents would agree with me that it is so difficult to take them away from this addiction. And screen time, no matter whether it is on phone or on television, is damaging, right? The children are getting used to this interface, which is damaging because the sensory development is not happening according to their milestones. So there are very, very few parents who are able to engage the children at home with the sensory engagement. But I think preschools are a better place, because then you have a setup like this. I've seen your school, both your Simok branch and Kalpara. You have this beautiful multi-sensory development centers where children can come, and all the areas of their sensory development, they reach to the milestones where they should be at this particular age. So why not send a child to an expert who does better in the areas of their development?
That's great that you mentioned that.